Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino, and today is Friday, July 28th, and if you can look over my shoulder, you'll see Mariners Pier. Can you see a little eerie glow kind of coming from it? You should, because today, for the first time since 2019, the ghost ship is open. It's the soft open. Someone just told me about it about an hour ago, and I figured, let's bike up to the boardwalk and give you guys the first day view of what it looks like. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them I can make fun videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below and make sure you do subscribe because we're trying to hit 100,000 before Labor Day Monday. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Now, a few things before we get on the pier. It is soft open because it's not officially open yet. We told you it'd be open by the end of July. They're still working on it. They had to hire crews, they had to fix up the area, and then from there, they were getting it open and ready to go. And so that was a couple weeks ago when we made that announcement, and now it looks like it is open. As a reminder though, only the first level is reopening for this year. We don't know if they're gonna reopen it for the following year, but it is something that they could do in the future. Just right now, just the first level. Now, as we're walking to the pier, a lot of people ask me, is this ride based off of a true story? And it is, but it isn't. If I were you, I would jump on my YouTube channel and check out the video called The Philadelphia Experiment. And it talks about the Ignis Fatuus and everything that this ship actually represents. And it's quite interesting because you could maybe think it's real, maybe not, but that's something for you to discover. So go check out that other video. I'll actually link it below. Right now, we're making our way onto the pier and it is packed tonight. Massively packed. You can see how pretty it is tonight. And we're gonna make our way in the left-hand side of the pier. Pretty much heading straight that way. A lot of people have been asking me, why hasn't it been open? Well, the last time it was open was prior to the pandemic, so that was fall of 2019. Then of course the pandemic happened, and then the whole, COVID, we couldn't touch each other, so they had to stop that back there. And ultimately, after that, it was really just staffing. We had the 1 year where they couldn't get J1 students, and so they decided not to open it, because that thing you need at least 8+ people to operate it. And without that, then you don't really have the full experience. And here it is. There's officially a line outside. It opened up at 7 p.m., just before sunset. And you can see the line of people out here. So excited. And just a little background information, just because this actually means a lot to me. Not that I worked inside the ride, but in the shoulder seasons while this was operating, like in October, I used to work the Nat booths, which is right back over here. And I'm talking about this booth back here. This used to be like the main entryway onto the ghost ship. And so you would get over here to get your tickets, whatever, before jumping in line and running this way. And I used to sit right over there. Now, what's funny is that when you work that window, you had to be in makeup. And so if you go back and look, I'm wearing a lot of makeup. In fairness, I'm talking about it. Let me just show you a photo. Yeah, as you can see, it actually was a lot of fun. The thing I've noticed just from walking around the ride, it's only 6 tickets now. If I remember correctly, I think it was 10 when it closed in 2019. And I think the reason why they bumped it down is because, once again, you only have the first level here. You're not going upstairs anymore. I mean, just look at it. It looks so cool. I'm so happy it's finally open, at least half of it. What are we waiting for? Let's get our wristband and let's get in line. Should be a lot of fun. I'm assuming that what you're gonna see today, it's going to change over time because it is the soft open. They want to learn from their mistakes. They want to write things down and then change it over time. So what you're going to see today, I would assume that if you come in the next few weeks or within a month, it'll probably be just a little bit different. So let's get our wristband and then get on the ride. Now, it is a walkthrough, okay? I have to tell you that right now because a lot of people think you sit down. It is a walkthrough. While we're getting our wristband and waiting in line, here comes the Sea Serpent. Here we go. In 3, 2, I was off for my count. Wait for it, here it comes. And back over. Now, one of the first signs you're gonna see is this one here. Please note at this time, only the first floor of the ghost ship is open. Now, I'm interested to see on how they're doing that inside after going in it many years ago. After that, though, it looks like they just refreshed these signs and they just added the 6 sticker or the 6 ticket sticker on there. Pretty much everything's the same. But let's head on in. Here's the queue line set up. So we'll have some quarters here if you need some quarters. Folks, we are outside the building and we're heading in. The original opening, if you remember, used to go down this way and wrap around. This is where you're going to enter, right through the side of the ship. All right, we're going inside the ship, everyone. Now remember that the actors inside can touch you, but you can't touch them. There will be loud noises, a lot of bangs. Just be prepared. You're going to get scared in here. It should take you roughly about 7 minutes to get through. I promise you, when you walk through this, this is totally going to be worth it. So we're entering the ship. You'll see no running, no smoking. You've got these grates, watch out. The actors can jump out at you from here. Now, they did refurbish the inside, so it's going to be a lot different from what you remember in 2019, but it's been such a long time since this has been open. I'm sure many of you guys actually don't remember this ride. So let me go ahead and share with you at least the main entrance right now, and then we'll make our way in. And we'll film as much as we can. I might get scared, I don't know. I mean, you might get scared too. We have the radiation density scan, and you can see right in the middle of the ship, there's a lot of radiation inside. Because if you remember the story of the Philadelphia experiment, this ship had radiation on it, and they were trying to see if it could go invisible, and it disappeared, and they came back, and for the Ignis Fatuus, it landed here in Wildwood. Here is the main door. Emergency exit, keep clear. Hear a lot of screaming taking place. We're gonna go in a second.
The moment I'm going to open this door, like I said, my captain's going to brief you on the mission. The main mission is to get my friends and get out. I already tried it. Look at me. I didn't make it. I couldn't go any further. But good luck. I believe in you all.
And we're inside.
You're standing inside the Ignis Fatuus, just outside of a highly secure quarantine zone. The Ignis Fatuus is a German freighter believed lost over 75 years ago. Although we knew very little about the ship's disappearance, initial investigations have revealed unusually high levels of radiation emanating from within the hull. Recently, a team was sent aboard this ship to investigate its mysterious reappearance. The following footage was recovered from the final transmission of the investigative team.
All right, T, what do you got? Yeah, there's a little bit of a reading in there. Regeneration chamber central. You getting that?
Oh, we're filming.
T, believe this stuff, T? What happened here?
Your orders are to locate the members of the lost team and exit the ship safely. The sealed containment doors to your right lead to the unexplored areas of the ship. Stand clear as they will be opening momentarily. Good luck, recruits.
Doors opening. It's getting dark. Ooh. And it's getting dark in here. It's very dark. Definitely scared already, because it's very dark. heading into the engine room, and there's someone standing in front. I don't know if you can see that. That was awesome. Oh, that was awesome. All right. Whew. This is a part of the ship I actually don't remember. It's been such a long time since I've been here. I don't remember half of this stuff. I worked on this ship. Oh, this is creepy. Oh, you're good. I'm sorry. Oh, it's very dark. Are we sure this is the right way?
Yeah.
We're in the kitchen now. Get some crabs. The cockroaches. Ew. What is squishy food? Ooh, I'm getting. We're in the bathrooms now.
Somebody got the dope. Go! Go!
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I know, look, okay. It probably was very hard for you guys to see how amazing that was. But oh my gosh, it's even better than I remember. And to be honest with you, a lot of this attraction really comes down to the actors. When you had actors that are extremely passionate and love what they're doing and love to follow you and jump and grab you and aren't scared or get you scared, it makes it even better. And even though tonight is soft opening, this was better than I remember in 2019. Because you have, I think you got more actors in one small little area, which just makes the attraction even better. And I mean, look, for someone who went through this in 2019 and worked outside here and all that, I didn't remember half of it, and I got scared, which means you guys are gonna get scared. And if you look at the time that it took me to get there, it took me about 8 minutes. Not that I wasn't scared, but I just didn't expect what was gonna happen. I just have to leave you with this. You may have watched it here on this video first, but you have to go through it. It's a completely different experience. I went through this ride twice tonight. The first time with the camera just to capture my honest first reaction to things, and then the second time without the camera. It is honestly even scarier the second time, because the first time I was kind of concentrated on my phone. Second time, I forgot to turn, if you actually watch the video at one point, I stopped recording because I went, is this the right way? It was so dark, and then someone jumped out in front of me. Honestly, This is amazing. So what are you waiting for? All you need is 6 tickets. Yes, it's only 6 tickets, so everyone's gonna go in. A lot of people are gonna ask me, is it scary for the kids? That's up to you as a parent. When we used to work this, we used to actually answer the exact question, and it is dependent on your kid. Do they get scared easily? Then they're gonna get scared in here. Do they care about scary things? And do they not care about scary things? These are things we would never know. It's only what you would know about your own kids. Anyway, I wanna thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'll see you on the beach, but to be honest with you, I'm gonna go on the Ignis Fatuus one more time, AKA the ghost ship. See you later, bye.